Most people fail on YouTube for one reason. They don't have a system. If you're tired of guessing what to upload, why your videos don't grow, or how people actually make money on YouTube, this video will help. Today I'm reviewing YouTube Side Hustle by Web Magnus. YouTube isn't hard. But unstructured learning is. This product is built for beginners. People starting from zero. Anyone confused by too much free advice. For beginners who want clarity. For people who want side income. For those okay with learning and consistency. Not for lazy people. Not for instant money seekers. This teaches how to pick profitable niches. How to create content without showing face. How to understand YouTube growth logic. How to monetize early. Everything is explained in simple language. Most courses fail because they're too advanced, too vague, too motivational. This one focuses on execution. You know what to do, how to do, why it works. Is it crowded? Strategy greater than saturation. Can beginners do this? Yes, that's the target. Is it worth it? Compared to trial and error? Yes. If you stay consistent, you build skills. You build content. You build income potential. This is not luck, it's leverage. The official link is in the description. If you want a clear YouTube roadmap, click below and check it out. Don't overthink. Action beats watching.